story goes, my truck broke down on this road about 30 minutes from my home, and everybody out here is just, unfortunately, about a bunch of nonsense, if y'all know what I mean. And I'm now walking 3.5 miles to the nearest town to get some oil, because hopefully put the oil in my truck and then get on down the road before this comes in, which is going to be super dangerous. So I'm trying to hurry up and get going. I just need to call my customer and see if they can. Look, somebody just did some stump grinding. I might need to call my customer and ask them if they can come get me, because this is kind of crazy, to be quite honest, you know. So we're gonna pray that they can. Otherwise, it's $220 tow, which I currently do not have and won't have until I do the job for them. Boy, I'm telling you, I'm not going to say what else could go wrong, because who cares what else could go wrong. Right now, we're going to make the best of this situation and just hope that people have kind hearts and God will move mountains to get me back home. The girl's probably worried about me. She's like, well, just let me know if you need me to do something. I hate that. I hate to have to be the dude that's like, baby, can you please help me? But guys, we gotta sometimes suck it up, because otherwise it's a long journey if you let your pride win. I'm not really letting my pride win. I told her that I was gonna try, and at the very end, if anything, I would have her help me. And yeah, we'll see. So stay tuned to see what the heck happens. If y'all would have seen the strike of lightning that just hit from up there to down way over there, man, you'd be freaking out too. I'm trying to get out of this, man. No, thank you. It started raining, and these drops are pretty hard, so my truck is right over there. I'm trying to hurry up. My legs hurt and the itch. That's how bad they hurt. Got the wrong shoes to be out here walking. Oh, this is crazy. And there's a mini rainbow. Grown men don't cry, right? So I'm not going to, but I'm gonna just let y'all know that this sucks, and I'm definitely oh man, it's taken a lot in me not to be really emotional right now, because this is a very upsetting time, and like my girl just said, it is upsetting and sad, but at least we have money to be able to deal with this stuff. But it's like, man, money's just going left and right and left and right, and it's so frustrating. But I'm thankful anyhow, because what am I gonna do? Is, you know, there's nothing I could have done. I mean, maybe there is. Honestly. Yep.